I'm Matthew Barnes. I'm a sales tech here at Guaranteed Roofing. Honestly, the work we put into just making sure that everything's done the right way, that we don't cut corners, and I mean, that's something with roofs that you don't get to see, you know? It's something that we really make sure that we do at Guaranteed Roof is to make sure that we give quality work. Quality is everything in any kind of home improvement, any like development company, and it's no different here. We just want everybody to know that we do good work, that we give the best services around for roofing. Building with this company, honestly, like whenever I first got here, it was microscopic compared to what it is now. And the thing that I love about it is the values of which we held in the beginning hasn't changed to what we do now. And we still want to do quality work and make customer satisfaction a priority. I can promise you'll call us back, that we'll be out to do whatever services we gave you the first time, you'd want it with us again. Call us and you need something, we'll be at your door as soon as we can. Well, honestly, I would say most of it has to do with the compassion and the integrity of this company. They put their customer service above everything.